In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage domains on DigitalOcean. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the dashboard, how to add a domain, and how to keep it organized in the right project so your infrastructure stays tidy and easy to maintain. Before we dive in, a quick note on what we're doing. This process adds your domain to DigitalOcean so you can manage DNS from one place. You'll want to already own the domain through a registrar, and you should be logged into your DigitalOcean account with access to the project you plan to use. With that in place, let's get started. First, head to DigitalOcean and open your cloud dashboard. When you land on the main page, you'll see the navigation that helps you move between resources. We'll begin by locating the projects area because keeping your domain tied to the correct project is the best way to keep your resources grouped by environment, client, or application. Click on Projects. This view shows all of your existing projects and gives you the option to create a new one. If you're starting fresh or want to separate environments, you can create a new project to keep the domain and related resources in one place. This is helpful for permissions, billing clarity, and staying organized across multiple apps. If you already have a project ready, that works too. Next, look toward the top of the interface for the Create button. Click Create to open the menu of resources you can add. From this menu, choose Domains DNS. This is the shortcut to DigitalOcean's networking section specifically for domain management. If you land on a broader networking page, make sure you're on the Domains area so you're looking at domain controls rather than other networking features. Once you're in the Domains section, select Add a Domain. This begins a simple form where you'll enter your domain name and confirm which project it belongs to. In the domain field, type the root domain you own using the form example.com and not a URL with HTTP or HTTPS. This step is about declaring the domain in DigitalOcean. It doesn't register a new domain for you, and it doesn't transfer domain ownership. It simply prepares DigitalOcean to manage DNS for that domain. Now choose the project where you want the domain to live. This link between domain and project keeps your domain visible alongside the droplets, Kubernetes clusters, or app platform services it will eventually point to. If you created a new project earlier, pick that one here. Otherwise, choose the existing project that makes the most sense for your setup. When everything looks right, click Add Domain. DigitalOcean will create the domain entry and bring you to the domain management page. Here you'll see the DNS interface where records such as CNAME, MX, and TXT can be managed. At this point, the domain is in your account and associated with the chosen project. If you plan to use DigitalOcean as your DNS provider, this is where you'll later add records that point your domain to your infrastructure. Keep in mind that changes to DNS take time to propagate across the internet, so updates you make here won't be instant everywhere. After adding the domain, return to your project's view anytime to confirm it's grouped correctly and to keep your resources organized. That consistency will save you time as your stack grows, especially if multiple applications or environments share the same account. To recap the flow, open your DigitalOcean dashboard, go to Projects, create a new project if you need it for organization. Use the Create button to open Domains DNS. Go to the Domains area, add your domain, choose the appropriate project, and finish by adding the domain to your account. Following these steps ensures your domain is properly set up inside DigitalOcean and ready for future DNS management, all neatly tied to the right project. That's it for this walkthrough. You've added a domain in DigitalOcean and positioned it for clean, maintainable management alongside the rest of your resources.